Hey guys, Tahir with you once again, and in this video I want to talk about how do you grow your income streams. So number one, a common misconception is why don't we go ahead and look for a job and let the job make us money? Sure. And if you don't have enough money, we look for a second job or a third job. The challenge with that is you're actually trading time for money. No matter how much money you make, you still will be poor because you won't have time. So that's one school of thought for you. So how else can you make money through different income streams is learning how your money can work hard for you. Investment number one, investment number two, investment number three. Where all in which industries can your money work hard for you? Have you ever asked yourself that question? Because we are usually working hard. I know people whose money never works hard for them, but they really work hard for money. So they go and make a lot of money, which is great. But they literally waste that money putting in investments in areas where it actually doesn't give them the returns it should. What if we changed that situation? What if you went out there, really worked hard for your money, if that's what you're doing right now, and then also made sure that your money works so hard for you, so freaking hard for you, that it makes you more money. Your money working hard for you makes you more money than you working hard for your own money. How is that for a thought? Would that be pretty awesome? So think about that and leave some comments. I would love to hear from you about, are you working hard for money or your money is working hard for you, and who is winning?